Fortnite has grown to be one of the biggest and most loved games of our generation. Not only did it jump in popularity due to the Battle Royale craze, but it has consistently stayed relevant for the past few months now due to excellent updates and community outreach. While Fortnite has made its way into almost any console that you can get your hands on, there is no better experience than playing it on a PC. Today we're going to be building a PC that will absolutely destroy anything that Fortnite can throw at it for under $500. Now, to fit under this budget, we're going to make two critical assumptions. Firstly, we're going to assume that you won't be needing peripherals that you may already have. Most households already have at least one PC, so we assume you have things like a keyboard, mouse, and even a monitor, or you could always use your TV. Secondly, we're going to assume you have Windows somehow. This could be from an install on your old laptop that you could transfer, or you could always, find it.
Avast, ye scallywags!
With all of that out of the way, let's get straight into the build. For the processor, we'll be using AMD's Ryzen 3 2200G processor. It's a quad-core processor and could easily handle Fortnite and any other AAA games that you may want to play, costing us $98.89. We will be pairing this with a Gigabyte A320M micro ATX motherboard. Nothing much to say here, a motherboard perfectly fitting our needs and budget at $50. For memory, we will be getting one stick of Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR4 2400 memory at $69.99. You can always trust Corsair Vengeance when it comes to memory. For storage, we'll be going with a basic Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive at $43.90. Now, for possibly the most integral part of this build, we'll be talking about the graphic card. This time, we've selected a GTX 1050 Ti 4GB, which can be found for around $169.99. The 1050 Ti is a great card, and with 4GB of VRAM, it's pretty future-proof too. All of these components will be powered using a Corsair VS400 watt power supply. This isn't the greatest power supply in the world, but it fits our budget and can easily power all of these components. Finally, we will be putting all of these components together in a Cooler Master MasterBox Lite 5, which is a beautiful case at only $49.99. This PC is cheap, outperforms any console, and lets you play a ton of great games at prices much better than their console counterparts. Comment down below with what you currently use to play Fortnite and what you plan on upgrading to. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it would be amazing if you left a like and subscribe.